You're using ChatGPT wrong, and it's costing you time, money, and results. Stick around and I'll show you how to unlock its full power with a few simple changes. You're using ChatGPT wrong. And no, I don't mean you, I mean almost everyone. ChatGPT isn't supposed to give you average, generic answers. It can give you world-class results, if you know how to talk to it. Today, I'm going to show you 5 mistakes most people make with ChatGPT and the exact prompts that fix them. Follow along, because number 3 will completely change how you use AI forever. 1. You're not giving enough context. Most people type one-line prompts like, "Write me a business plan." That's why the output is boring. Instead, feed ChatGPT context. Who is your audience? What's your goal? What format do you want? Example: write me a 5-step business plan for a fitness coaching business, targeting busy professionals. Keep it under 500 words and make it sound inspiring. Context turns ChatGPT from generic to expert. 2. You're not asking for iterations. The first response is rarely the best. Ask it to refine, expand, or rewrite. Try. Make it more persuasive. Turn this into a checklist. Rewrite it like Alex Hormozy. Think of ChatGPT as your junior assistant. You need to give feedback until it's perfect. You're not using system prompts. This is where power users win. Start your conversation by setting ChatGPT's role. You are a world-class copywriter specializing in SaaS startups. This primes it to think like an expert and improves every answer you get after that. You're not feeding it examples. Want ChatGPT to write like you? Give it samples of your writing first. Say, "Analyze this blog post and match the tone." Then have it create new content with that exact style. This is how you create content that feels original, not robotic. You're not chaining prompts together. Stop treating ChatGPT like a one-and-done tool. Break your task into steps. Example: Step 1, generate 10 content ideas. Step 2, pick the best 3. Step 3, write a script for each. This workflow creates better outputs and saves you hours. Which of these 5 fixes are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments, and if you have your own secret ChatGPT hack, share it so we can all try it. If you want more ChatGPT strategies that actually work, subscribe now. I post weekly videos to help you build smarter AI hustles and make more money with less effort.